Hey guys, how's it going? Connor in sales here at Riders Harley-Davidson, and we have a 2021 Road King for you guys to check out. This one is in Billiard Red and Chrome, one of the best looking combinations that they had that year, and man, this one has been accessorized. So we'll kind of start back, working our way forwards. This one has some 4-point docking hardware, good for luggage racks, sissy bars, trunks, whatever accessories you might want to bolt on. This one has been upgraded with a Saddlemen slim seat in the tuck and roll. A little bit of extra cushioning. Saddlemen's known for their gel. Very comfortable seat to ride. Down yonder, a Freedom Performance 2-in-1. Nice sound, throaty, and of course moving up, meat hooks. You guys love them. Everyone loves them. Stainless steel cables there, and a Memphis Shade Road Warrior fairing. This thing blocks a ton of wind, looks fantastic, and they even changed out that front fender to something a little more sporty. Everything is color matched, looks fantastic, reasonable miles on this bike, 18.5 for the mileage. If you love Road Kings like we do, please come on down to Riders Harley-Davidson, and remember, there's a lot of glides, but there's only one king.